G'day, I'm Mike Arini from Solar Bollard Lighting, based right here in the beautiful Moreton Bay region in Queensland, the Sunshine State of Australia. And this is the world's best solar bollard light. It was here in Queensland in 2004 that we conceived the world's first all-in-one solar bollard light. Today, you can find solar bollard lighting products in over 40 countries throughout the world. So what makes solar bollard lighting such a shining success? There are many reasons, but we have chosen 8 things that set us apart from the rest. First of all, our solar bollards stay brighter for longer. This SBL2 series range will automatically illuminate every night and perform at full power from dusk until dawn. The second standout feature is that the SBL2 series solar bollard light doesn't require direct sunlight. We have models that will operate at full power, even installed in fully shaded locations, covered with snow, or consistently overcast monsoonal weather. The third feature of our solar bollard light is its strength. How strong are they? Well, let's put it to the test with this sledgehammer. No damage. Our solar bollard lights are vandal and impact resistant, which means they will take a lot of punishment. The SBL2 series is the only solar bollard light on the market that is submersible. This makes it ideal for marine environments that are susceptible to tidal surges from hurricanes and cyclones, or even tsunamis, as well as flood-prone locations through excessive rain events that are increasing due to climate change. Our SBL2 series comes with a 10-year warranty. Solar bollard lighting products are not just designed in Australia, they are made right here in Australia. Our ISO 9001 quality manufacturing system ensures world-class standards are upheld throughout the manufacturing process before being shipped around the world. You know it's from us because it has our name moulded into the dome. Solar Bollard Lighting are a multi-award-winning company due to our unique design innovations, outstanding quality, and product features that are continually setting new standards for solar bollard lights across the globe. Solar Bollard Lighting is powered by 100% renewable energy and is 100% recyclable. And that is good for our children's future.